Hello, the people. Welcome back to Queen's Kitchen. If you're watching my video for the very first time, you're warmly welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Well, if you're watching my video for the very first time, I'm Queen T, and here I make videos on food. So today, well, before we go straight into the video, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click on the post notification bell if you want to receive more food videos. I am not limited to any country, okay? So just stick around. So today we have this black sauce which originates from Cameroon. So basically it's called Bongo or Mbongo Tchobi, and it's called black soup as well, and it's a dish from the Bassa people of Cameroon. This wonderful recipe takes its name from one of these main spices like the black spice. It's kind of wild plant from called the bongo itself, Actually, the peculiarity of this dish is characterized by its black color because of some of its spices, kind of roast them, burn them, then you get this rich flavor that brings, and because of the burning of the spice, so it brings out this black color and its taste, the aroma is because of the burnt plant, and it smells so good, guys. So today, thanks to the grocers of Cameroon, the Bassa people, the bongo powder is widely used in Cameroon, and it also facilitates and reduces the time of preparation and cooking. So most of the time it's been blended, and you can eat it with plantains, you can eat it with rice, but with me here I have boiled ripe plantains because it goes like it's given. So I boiled ripe plantains here with me, and actually this meal is also a meal. It's called like the dish of love, because basically in those days the Bassa people made this dish for their husband, like a way of apology or the way to show their true love for their husband. So this dish has a love story behind it. The legends also tell us that the Bassa people, in order to reduce their husband's anger or infidelities, cook this dish. But our husbands will not be infidel. So guys, let's go ahead and cook this together. So the first ingredient on the list is the almighty bongo, and here we have 3 tablespoons of the Bongo'o Tchobi spice. Okay, the next is tomato, and you see this tomato is ripe, but for Bongo'o Tchobi it's advised to use not so ripe tomatoes like what I have here. So I have 10 tiny tomatoes. You can use 3 medium-sized tomatoes to equate this. And then we go ahead with the next spice. Here we have the bay leaves, as we can see, and then this other one here we have white pepper, and then we have 2 pepper, and of course this is jangsa. And onions are divided into 2 halves because one I'm going to blend and the other one I'm going to chop for frying. Then we have pepper, habanero pepper, we have ginger and garlics. So, and then of course seasoning cubes and salt, and then your vegetable oil. And then we also have some leeks, and we have some celery stalk, and then we also have some basilico or basil. And then here we have our fish, which has been washed with vinegar water and and rinsed with lemon to keep bacteria at bay. I have catfish there with me. You can also use, but not all types of fishes are really good for Bongo Tchobi. Of course, we know that, but here I have catfish, and there are varieties of fish you can use for bongo. Mostly these large, thick fishes. So guys, let's go ahead and start with the cooking process. I love this dish. The aroma it produces in the kitchen is quite intense and also really good. So you just go ahead and chop all your spices together and then put in the blender. As I said, half of the onions was chopped because I'm going to blend that, and then the other half will be chopped for the frying process. So that's my jagsa. Just go ahead and blend all the spices together with the bongo spices. Mix everything together, no exception. Just go ahead and blend everything. This recipe is quite easy, straightforward to make, and the particularity of this dish remains its spices and tropical aromas. Thanks to those ingredients which we've just mixed here, its preparation is detected hundreds of meters away. Like, guys, my God, the aroma is so attractive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the reason why it's more than enough to attract anybody who's just passing by, because it's so good. Some purely traditionalist people or say the Bassa indigenes might be shocked to find out that not everything it's no longer done exactly as our mothers or grandmothers did concerning this dish. But it's therefore important to specify that cooking is actually an art, guys. Am I lying? And in general, it is discoveries and personal touches, that sometimes you kind of adjust it to your taste or your preference. And in general, it is discoveries and personal touches in cooking that each other actually shares with us that make its beauty and its richness. Yeah, I have cooked this basa the way it is, like this basa dish that the way it is, but traditionally I think the basas have their own way of doing it. But I know that mixing the ingredients together with the fish is actually a traditional way. Other people might just go ahead after frying the oil, they pour in the blended spices directly into the pot, then I'll put the fish. So, cooking is an art. People just do it in their own way, in the ways that suit their taste, in the ways that suit their preferences, and it's all okay so long as the end product is delicious. But this meal is definitely not going to fail no matter how you go around it. But of course, you have to make sure that your spices are well blended. If not, stand chances of having lumps in your food. So you have to make sure that it's well blended, just like um pull fish also follows this process where after blending all the spices of pull and everything, you mix it together with your fish in a bowl first, then you fry your oil and onions, and then you now pour the mixture, the rain. So others could still just go ahead and after frying the oil, just put their bull mixture and then the fish. Cooking is an art. Do it whatever way you want to do, however you want to put less pepper, more pepper, no maggi, no salt, however you you want it, so long as that satisfy your taste buds, that's good. Okay, so yeah, the world is diverse and things are not being done exactly as our mothers and grandmothers used to do. So don't be surprised or indignant if the ingredients are not exactly those of your childhood memories or quite simply as you would have hoped, because the kitchen remains dynamic and evolving. So, guys, that's it. So, let's keep watching, and I hope you enjoy the recipe, the process, and the explanation. So guys, first things first, just go ahead and fry your onions and your bay leaves. And then of course you add your salt. And after that, you just go ahead and pour in all the mixture of fish and Bongo Tchobi spices. So and then of course you add perhaps one more habanero pepper if you want it a little bit hot, or you just allow it like that. It's all about preferences. And then add a little bit of water, not much water, please, just a little bit. And then of course your seasoning cubes for taste. Guys, as simple as this, you are just going to allow that to boil. Let it simmer for some time, I think 5 minutes or so, or even I think 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, depending on your temperature. And you see that? Oh my god. Guys, I'm not exaggerating. This dish is yummy. Yummy. I wish I could cook this every day, but I will get sick of it. It's super delicious. It's delectable. It's a must. Love for everyone. Oh goodness! Oh my god! I love this. Ladies, cook this for your husbands. This is so yummy. It's so delicious. Ah, okay, guys. Hope you love this video. Give me a thumbs up. Click on the post notification bell. Subscribe to my channel for more traditional meals, from more Western meals, and whatever you can think of. And I love you all. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. All of those who have been subscribing, I see you. All of those who've been engaging. I love to answer your questions in the comment section below. Come on, let me know what you think about this dish. Show me some love in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, if you have any worries, or if you have any critics, I'm open to the critics, okay? Drop them in the comment section below. If there's something you don't like about this, drop them. That's no problem. Let's talk about that. Don't leave this video without saying something in the comment section below. Whatever it is, just say it. Baby girl will come for you. I will still love the comment and I will still say what I have to say. Please drop something in the comment section, whatever you think. If you think there's something, I am not a Bassa woman, okay? I am a proud Bamileke woman and I made this dish. If you think I did something wrong, just tell me. I'm open to corrections as well, but if you want to know how this tasted, oh my god, it was so delicious. It was so good with ripe plantains. And the next day I ate it with we ate it with rice. I love it as well with rice. I don't know. It's I prefer it more with rice. My husband loves it more with plantains. So first day was with plantains, the next day was with rice. I love it with rice. So yeah, it's so good. It's I love Bongo Tchobi and with catfish it was a hit. Like hit. So I love you all guys. Click on the post notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and make sure to stick around because you'll be having good content here. Okay? And ciao ciao. See you in my next video. Bye.